I'm Loretta with the MRL Company. Today I wanted to talk with you about a service from Southwire called Southwire SPEED. Southwire SPEED is used for specialty or made-to-order cables. These products often have long lead times or large minimum run requirements. If your cable run is shorter than the minimum run requirement for a specific cable, the Southwire SPEED team can look at various production runs to see if they can accommodate your order. Also, if your project timeline does not allow for the standard lead time for the specified cable you need, Southwire SPEED can look at upcoming production schedules to see if they would be able to make your cable within your time frame. Using the Southwire SPEED quoting team with your lead time or cable length requirements, we can turn no quote into no problem. So contact MRL and ask for a Southwire SPEED quote for your next project.